In this video, we will discuss about how to reduce fraction in lowest term. In our previous videos, we discussed about GCF or HCF or the highest common factor. Now make sure you watch that and I will put the link in the description box below. Now we will use that concept of HCF in order for us to reduce the fraction in lowest term or in simplest form. A fraction is said to be written in lowest term if its numerator and denominator are relatively prime. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the HCF of the numerator and the denominator, and we need to remove that one, okay, in order for us to get it in lowest term. So let's have an example. So our example are: first, reduce the fractions in lowest term for the following fraction. So we have 35 over 50, 12 over 40, and 8 over 36. Then for our second question, reduce the fractions in simplest form. So we have 20 over 24, 28 over 40, and 49 over 56. Okay, so let's have our first problem. So here, so what we're going to do first is we're going to get the HCF. So we have for 35, so we need to get the factors of 35. So we have 5 times 7. Okay, so these are already prime. Then for 50, so we have 2 times 25. Then we have 5 times 5. Okay? So if we write this one, so we have 35 is equal to 5 times 7. Then for 50, we have 2 times 5 times 5. Okay? And the common factor is 5. Okay? So the highest common factor is 5. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove this one, and what is left is this one. This, and this. Okay? So if we're going to write that one, so we have now 7 over 2 times 5. So we have now 7 over 10. So this is the simplest form or lowest term of 35 over 50. Okay? Now let's have another example. So we have 12 over 40. Okay, so again, the first step is to get the prime factors of 12. We have 3 times 4, then we have 2 times 2. So we can write it here. So we have 2 times 2 times 3. Then for 40, we have 2 times 20, then we have 4 times 5. This one is prime, this one is prime, then we have 2 times 2. So for 40, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to cancel out the common factors. So the common factors are this. Because again, the concept of a number dividing by itself is always equals to 1. So we need to cancel this. Cancel this. Okay? So meaning this one is equal to 1, this one is equal to 1. So we left with 3 over 2 times 5. So the answer here is 3 over Okay? Now, in our next example, so we have 8 over 36. So again, we have, for 8, we have 2 times 4, then we have 2 times 2. So we have 2 times 2 times 2. Then, for 36, we have 2 times 18, we have 2 times 9, then we have 3 times 3. So in this case, the prime factors for 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay? So we're going to cancel the common factors. So this one and this one. So what we are left is 2. Then at the denominator is 3 times 3. So we have now 2 over. Now 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Okay? Okay. Now let's go to another set of example. Okay? So I want you to do is try to do this on your own first. Pause the video. Then after that one, check if your answer will be the same as mine. Okay? Okay, now how to solve this one? So again, for 20, the factors are, it can be 5 times 4, then we have 2 times 2. So these are the prime factors. Then for 24, we have 3 times 8, then we have 2 times 4, then we have 2 times 2. So writing again it here, so you have 2 times 2 times 5, then for this one we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay? So cancel the common factors, this, then we have now 5 over 6, because 2 times 3 is 6. Okay? By the way, we have also a previous video for how to do the prime factorization using the factor trees, and you can see that in the description box below. Okay? Now another example, 28 over 40. Okay? Now try to do this again on your own. Pause the video. Then check if your answer is the same as mine. Okay? Now how to solve this one? So we have 28, then we have 2 times 14, then 14 we have 2 times 7. Okay? 7, 2, and 2 are already prime numbers. So this is equal now to 2 times 2 times 7. Then for 40, we have 2 times 20, we have 5 times 4, then we have 2 times 2. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Okay? Now these are the common factor. So what is left is we have 7 over. Now 2 times 5 is 10. And this is the answer. Okay? And for our last problem, so we have 49 over 46. So factor out 49. Then you have 7 times 7. Okay? Then for 56, we have what? We have 2 times 28. Then we have 2 times 14. Then we have 2 times 7. Okay? Then, so we have 7 times 7. And for this one, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Okay? Now, what is the common factor here? 7. This one cancels out. So, what is left is 7 over. Now, 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. So, the answer here is 8. Okay? So, that's it. That's how to convert fraction in lowest term. Okay? Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Patrick School from Home. For any questions or topic that you want to learn, just leave a message in the comment section below or in our Facebook page or email address. See you in our next lesson. Bye!